When Jacob went to his uncle Laban, Laban knew that Jacob is a blessed man. He knew very well. He knew this guy is blessed, and he kept him there. He kept him there and made sure he became rich at the behest of who? Of Jacob. Praise be the name of God. Jacob, ng'ombe akiweka shika ng'ombe tu zilikuwa zina nini? Zinazaa mazao mazuri. Mbuzi zilikuwa zinazaa, akilima zilikuwa zinazaa. And this man Laban became so rich because of who? Because of Jacob. And he wanted to sustain him by giving him a daughter. And when he was about to come out, he gave him another. He changed the idea of the first and told him, for you in our community, the first daughter must go. You can't take the second daughter. The first daughter. That is a trick they use. They will shortchange you. For 7 years they never told this man, be prepared for this. Instead, they kept him there because they knew they would want to use another 7 years in him working there. Have you ever found yourself in a situation that you are about to come from out of a problem, and when you are about to come out of a problem, another problem comes? You have been healed. You go to Kenyatta. You've been in Kenyatta for 6 months for a treatment of a particular disease. Once you are just about to come, the doctor says you have diagnosed another disease. And this disease we have to go for another 7 months. Because they want to make your time repeated. And once you are out of the time and the season, there is no blessings will come. No matter how rich they prophesy to you. No matter what kind of a prophet will come into your life to say, you are blessed, you have cars, you have houses, you have water. If at all you are not within the season of God, and the timing of God, and the place of God, there is no single blessing will come to you. I will prophesy, but it's nothing. But when you are within the season, within the time, in the place of God, things will just fall in without forcing them. Everything will work for you. Where the hand of God is, everything will do what? Will work, because you are within. When Abraham was living with his father, yes, he had cattle, he had camels, he had everything. But remember, he struggled with the father. He struggled very much. And when he moved out of the compound of his father, as he was going, he encountered challenges of life until he will surrender his own wife and give it to a king, because he was fearing for his death. But when the time of blessing came and God opened his eyes, there are luggages that you are carrying that has made our eyes not to see. Immediately he parted way with this gentleman. God opened his eyes. There are things that you must drop now. There are things that you must stop them, because those things are meant to delay you. Those things are meant to make you stagnate in one area, not to go to the position where God wants to bless you. Then when Abraham, God opened the eyes of Abraham, he told Abraham, look until where your eyes can see, that is your land. Look the other side until where the eyes can see, that is your land. Remember, they were fighting for a position, a piece of land. They were fighting for a small piece of land. But little did he know that the whole world belonged to him. Little did you know that you are a blessed person. Little did you know that you are such a wonderful person.